Okay, it is an immense pleasure for me to express my thanks and well wishes for the team from NIMHANS. It was a great experience being with them for 5 days from 25th of March to 29th of March for this program on psychosocial support in disaster management. I have learned a lot of things in a new manner, like being in a team as a volunteer, as a team member, and making charts, all those exercises. It was all helpful and it will remain in memory for a long time. And it can be applied for other trainees. Since we have been trained well by the team from NIMHANS, including Dr. Sanjay, Associate Professor from the Department of Psychosocial Support in Disaster Management, and Anil Hemanna, Psychosocial Worker, and Sathishkumar, Technical Associate. We express our thanks to all the team members from NIMHANS, and we will make it possible for all the other team members and for further people for the training from Lakshadweep. So on behalf of Department of Health Services, I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to NIMHANS team, along with my thanks to Directorate of Health Services, Director of Health Services, National Mental Health Program Nodal Officer in Lakshadweep, and all other dignitaries, doctors, staffs from the hospital, National Health Mission, and Indira Gandhi Hospital of Govt, Lakshadweep. Thank you once again. Thank you all.